Talaga? Ayan. Okay na. Okay na yung levels. Yun. Alright. Welcome. Shout out sa 111 viewers na nandito ngayon. We have 7.2k hearts. Thank you for that. What time is it? 8:05 or 8:05? Alright, share this live stream. Let your friends know. Let everyone know that I'm live. My earrings. It's been forged in another dimension, so hindi na siya mahanap kahit saan. Yung materials niya galing sa ibang dimension pa, tapos naghanap pa akong blacksmith para, so you can't find my earrings anywhere. Limited edition, exactly. One of one. Are you playing online games? Now? No. I stopped playing games kasi I didn't want it to mess up my schedule. Plus, I'm not good at online games. Alright, patugtog daw ako, all these ladies. Let's go, all these ladies. Guys, na-save niyo na ba yung all these ladies sa Spotify, Apple Music, wherever? Yes, done na daw. Good. All these ladies are featured in a lot of different Spotify playlists. So, pag sinerch nyo yung BGYLPH sa X, makikita nyo dun kung anong Spotify playlist na feature yung all these ladies. So make sure i-stream nyo din dun yung all these ladies para, you know, para nice. My friends love your new song. Nice. Sabi ni Roch, kailan daw birthday ko? Guys, kailan daw birthday ko? Comment down below. Paano malaman yun? Aaron, thank you for the pride flag. O nga pala, nakalimutan ko. Hindi na ako sanay mag-live stream. Thank you sa lahat ng Thank you sa lahat ng Thank you sa lahat na nagsasend ng gifts. Lex, you know, thank you. Who's Mr. Swaggy? I'm not Mr. Swaggy. Cutie Smile 21, thank you. Ako si Lim, thank you. We now have 135 viewers. Share it, guys. Let's reach 200. I'm doing good. Oh. Wala na. Sabi ni April Joy, pag ako na pinansin neto, mag-aaral na ulit ako for second year. Mag-aaral ka na, be. You study now. Study now. Right now. As in right now. Anong magandang anime panoorin? I just finished Fire Force Season 3 kanina. Honestly, matagal ko nang stinart yung Fire Force, but hindi ako na-hook ng Fire Force. So I had to force myself to watch Fire Force kasi may nakita akong clip na kay Benimaru, sobrang angas. And I wanted to see Benimaru sa anime. So Season 1, slow start siya for me. It's not for me, Season 1. Okay lang. Pero yung lumabas na si Benimaru season 1, okay na. I'm good. Benimaru is the key. I like Fire Force na. Kung wala si Benimaru dun, I don't know, man. I don't think so. Nag-dinner na ba ako? Yes, no. I had late lunch. But it's too early for dinner. I ate around 5:30 p.m. Ako, Celine, thank you sa community. Tito Corner, thank you. What's my favorite game? My favorite game is Fallout 3, Cyberpunk 2077, Metro Exodus. What else? Yeah, those three. Favorite part sa ATL? Of course, my first part. That's my favorite part. This part. My favorite part. Love 1,000 times. Yeah, that part. Stream ATL. Sabs, no. Next week babalik na ako ng black. Tapos mag-shave ko yung hair ko, skinhead. Not a plant guy, sorry. Fred again song reco, the new one, Victory Lap with Skepta. Did you watch I Parry Everything? What is that? Anime? No, I haven't, sorry. You like my black hair? I like my black hair too. But, I have to go Super Saiyan, change up my look. Because honestly, medyo boring na yung hair ko for the past, how many years have I been in BGYO? Oh my god, 4 years? I forgot. Yeah. So, I have to change things up. Hi, Cha. Pag pinansin mo ako, di-dinner na ako, sabi ni Marie. Dinner ko. Oh, whoa! Looks good. I know, right? Thank you. What is that on my arm? My wrist? Oh, it's dirt. Sabi ni Harugu Resu, biggest fan. Hello po. Shoutout sa'yo, Harugu Resu, biggest fan ko na. Try pink hair. I would love to, but not pink. Maybe who's the guy who had pink hair? I forgot. Siguro yung mga light pink, not the neon one. I would love to, but maybe on another year, another timeline. Wow. Brown. I tried brown. I don't like how brown looks like on my hair and my face, so I'm definitely not going back to brown again. I hate brown color for my look. I don't think it suits me well. So tanda ko pa daw ba si White Lady? Tatandaan ko pa si White Lady. So, laging may White Lady na sumasama sa aking live stream. Like, even before. Magka-face reveal na ba siya? Sabi ni Laika, BGYL PH reposted my TikTok video. Of course, we will repost. We will, when we see it, of course. Sabi ni Ann Ferrer, Mickey, isang hi, mag-work na daw siya. Mag-work ka na right now. Work. Priorities. Don't mind me. Focus on your stuff. Sa lahat ng mga nag-aaral dyan, okay na yung araw ko. Ganda daw ng color ng hair ko. Sabi ni... Who is it? Oh my God. Avrilian E. Thank you. Who sent the... Someone sent the pride flag. Thank you for sending pride flag. Sorry I couldn't see your name. Who is that? Who's that? Sabi ni Momon, I'm on the treadmill right now watching you. Wow. I see. Fitness, Wala naman horror experience in Japan. Wala, I don't... No. Like, ghost? Ghost? Mga ghost ba? Ay, no, wala. If you're talking about ghosts, no. I don't have... Kasi the ghosts are scared of me. They got nothing on me, bro. Oy, si Tracy nandito. Ikaw na ba ang hinahanap ng Team BGYO? Pag pinansin daw siya, matutulog na ng maaga. Sleep early. Get at least 7 hours of sleep. Sabi ni Team, Mickey, top 3 hardest BGYO choreo for me. Hardest... Number 1, I think would be Game On, Thai. Game On and Extraordinary. Yeah, Game On or Extraordinary. Thai sila. Number 1 spot. Number 2, I don't know. Basta those two, very hard to perform. Kasi nakakahingal talaga. My favorite OPM song? Favorite OPM song? Damn, I don't know. There's a lot. Right now, give me a few minutes to think about it. Can't decide, bro. Good luck pala sa Tacloban performance bukas. Guys, nga pala, we will be going to Tacloban tomorrow.